Space Wonderland.
Okay, baby, don't cry. It's okay. Are you sick? Let me get your temperature. Oh my god, it's so high. I have to take you to the doctor.
Dr. Bill.
Hey doctor, my baby is crying. She doesn't stop and I think she's really sick. Her temperature is so high. Can you take a look? Thank you. Is she okay, doctor?
No.
Oh,
Okay. That's for you.
okay. Oh no, she pooped. I'm sorry. Oh.
You.
Is she okay? Is everything okay, doctor?
No.
What's going on?
One big pie.
Oh my god, that's really high, doctor. What are you gonna do to her? Are you gonna give her medicine? Okay. Is she gonna be okay? Oh, wow, that's really scary. But it's okay. Oh, it's okay. Don't cry. Don't cry. Oh. Okay. Okay.
It's right.
Thank you, doctor. She will be okay, right?
Right.
Okay. Thank you so much.
What?
Should I bring her again tomorrow? Okay, will do. Thank you so much for the lollipop, doctor.
Bye.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, wow. That's cool. What is it? Oh, there's no milk? It's okay. We'll go shopping. We'll go shopping later.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no.
Can we fix this?
Oh no!
It's broken! Okay. Are you gonna help me? Okay.
Wow.
Thank you so much! Wow! Are you at the market? What are you making?
Yummy.
watching.